What's going on, everybody? Look what I got here. This, as you can see from the title of this video, see this little small box here from IND. We got the paint match reflectors, and this is gonna be a subtle mod that'll make such a big difference, I think, especially because the orange reflector just kind of gives the car such a big contrast, and the paint match is gonna make it look so much better. So if we look right here, you guys can see that orange just jumps out at you so much, and we're just gonna replace that with the paint match, so then there's not gonna be that huge contrast. I started noticing that big difference in the reels that I make and the videos, and it was jumping out at me too much, so I went ahead and ordered it from IND. I went through YouTube Academy before doing this, so I'm gonna turn the wheel and I'm going ahead and heat it up with the heat gun. I have the Pride toolkit, so I'm gonna pry it out, heat it up, pry it out. Be careful with it, obviously, because you wanna make sure you don't crack anything like this. Obviously, this is kind of flimsy, so you don't want this to crack. If this cracks, I don't know what's gonna happen, but you might need a new Agile bumper or something. But let's not go there. But yeah, I'm just gonna turn the wheel and let's see how hard it is. Hopefully it's easy. I've seen other people do it, so it just takes a little bit of careful touch. And let's get straight into it. Alright, so now with the wheel turned inside, we got access to the back right here. It's just this plastic piece right here. You guys can't probably see that very well. Here, this is this guy. So we're gonna heat it up through this side. We're gonna poke it back, pull it out, and then put the other one on. Let's see what the packaging looks like. All right, here we got some stickers. Cool. Here's a pry tool. And here are the reflectors, paint match reflectors. Look at that. All right, let's see. How close is it to the actual paint? That's pretty spot on, man. Let's take a better look up here. Don't worry, guys, I'm not gonna scratch my paint. It's PPF. It's pretty good. Obviously depends on the angle, you'll get different lighting. This thing is gonna look so much better right there. All right, let's heat it up and take it off. All right, we were able to take off the passenger side, and the fishing line that comes in the kit helps a lot. I was able to get in with this little guy and create some space, and then get the fishing line to go through it. So now I'm gonna make sure to take off all the residue off from the back here and then clean it with alcohol. Now we get a little bit of alcohol. I put it on a little cotton ball so I could get to the spots, and we just clean it up behind to get most of that residue off right here in the back. All right, so these reflectors are labeled right here. You can see right is for the passenger side, and then we're just gonna take off the cover on the tape right here and put it behind here. Just so that it sticks a little bit better, I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit, so the adhesive gets stickier. Hit it through the back too. Hey, yo! Look at that. Oh man, that's such a nice difference. It's like those little changes that make the biggest difference. Look at that. Instead of this, you got that. All right, let's go do the other side now. Again, all right, turn the wheel in so you could get access back here. Heat it up in the front. You'll be able to pry it out. Vamos a ver. Let's see how it looks. I'm almost done here. I gotta do it before it rains. You guys already know Florida, man. Freaking 2 minutes, you got the sun out, and the next minute it's gonna start raining. So let me hurry up here. There we go, it's out. So now, same thing. Take off the glue, whatever's there, clean it with alcohol, and then stick the other one. That is so clean. It makes the front end look so much better, man. Because that orange isn't as contrasting. Let's check the other side. Look at that. Looks so much better in my opinion. Alright guys, there you have it. So that was a quick, like, I want to say 30-minute install. I spent most of my time getting the adhesive off from the other reflector, so that's the hardest part, honestly, because all you have to do is heat it up, be careful taking it out, obviously, take off the glue, clean it, and then put the other one on. And as you can see, that thing is so much cleaner now. So now the reels are going to be cleaner. I'm actually going to do some more videos. I'm actually going to be doing some reels right after this to see if anybody notices the difference on Instagram. Make sure if you guys like this content, you want to see more installs, more DIYs, just drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you can, just share it with whoever you want. Any of that is greatly appreciated, and thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Peace.